Hi friends, let me show you this new ultrasonic cleaner that I received for reviewing purposes. You can use it for your denture, your braces, or night guards, or even for jewelry, okay? So, let me show it to you. We're gonna test it, okay? You get the actual cleaning unit, okay? It's large size. You also get these tweezers to, well, comfortably take anything that you get in the cleaner. And also, of course, the USB cable to use it, okay? Here it is. It's a standard USB-A to USB-C cable. Here is the USB-C input, okay? And that's it. Let's try it. When you are ready to clean whatever you want, like dental accessories or even jewelry, you can put whatever you are going to clean here in the cleaning vase. It has a maximum water level here. You want to use clean water. As you can see. So when the unit is already charged, you want to disconnect the charging cable, and you have your jewelry here, the water here, and you are ready to start working. You are going to press this button and the unit is on. Then you press it again and it will work for 3 minutes. If you want it to work for less than 3 minutes, you can just stop it whenever you want. I don't know if you can hear it, if you can come near here. It sounds a little bit and it's on like a blue light there. So it's working. I hear it working. And it's telling you how many seconds is going to work. Okay? Let's wait for 3 minutes. As you can see, we are just a few seconds away from it finishing this cleaning process. That's it. You are good to go. Either if you clean a dental accessory or some jewelry, you can get it out with these tweezers, and that's it. Easy to use, rechargeable, great for any cleaning task that you need. Thank you so much.